Hi there, this is our Luxcut KM-3BV vertical machining centre. I've just found a wee program in there that I'll run you through. I think it's only got one spindle speed, but I'll start it at half speed and then crank it up. So that's running about 1500 RPM. I wind that up to its maximum spindle speed, which is about 3000, and I think it's 3085 on the screen. So there it is, running a wee cycle. The machine's in good condition and ticks over nicely. It's got the air draw bar on it and it's all set to go.